Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add a zip code to a vanilla Visa gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add a zip code to your vanilla gift card, you'll need to register the card online at the vanilla gift card website. During the registration, you will be prompted to enter your billing address including your zip code. So first of all, you need to open a web browser, visit the official website of vanilla gift card, and then tap on registration. So once you do this, you need to now register your card and follow the on-screen prompts which will help you do this, and then you will be asked to enter your name, billing address, and other personal information. So now after doing this, enter the zip code associated with your billing address, and once you have entered all the required information, submit the registration. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your zip code has been successfully assigned to your account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.